A very good morning to everyone. This side Umang sir, your mathematics teacher, and a warm welcome in Umang sir ki class. Okay, students. So today we are going to learn the new topic, that is percentage. Today we are going to learn percentage. Okay, and how can we find out the value of given percentage? Now, without wasting the time, we are going to see what question we have to do. Okay, so the first question is that we have to find out the value of 25% of rupees 100. So before starting this topic, I just want to clear one thing, that 100, what is the meaning of percent? As per 100, the value which is given as per 100. So when this is a sign of percent, and when we will remove the sign of percent, then what will happen? 100 will come as a denominator. 100 will come as a denominator, and keep this thing in your mind. The number after that the percentage sign has been given, you have to put the denominator 100 down that number. Okay, you have to put the denominator as 100 of that number, by which after which the percentage sign has been given. So percentage sign has been given after the 25. So what we are going to do, we are going to put the denominator as 100 under 25. So 25 upon 100, 25 upon 100, and then of at the place of multiply sign, and then rupees 100. Now see, 100 cancel, 100 cancel, simple thing. So now what is there? What will left? So 25% of rupees 100. What is left here? 25. So what is our answer? Rupees 25. Simple. Clear, students? Okay. Now see one more question. Now the second question is that 4 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 180. Rupees 180. 4 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 180. Okay. First, just convert this mixed fraction into proper one. Okay. But we are going to change this mixed fraction into improper one. Okay. Improper, then how can we convert? 2 4 the 8. 8 and 1 9 upon 2. And when we will remove the percent sign, what will happen? 100 will come as a denominator, and in the denominator already 2 has been given. So what we are going to do? We are just multiply it by 100 into, and at the place of into rupees 180. Now what we can do here? Now see what we can do. We can cut a 10 from one here. We can cut it. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. Any other number we can divide up and down. 9 is here as a numerator. 9 is also at the upside. 2 and 5 as a denominator. So we can divide it. We cannot divide. So what we are going to do? Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the numbers as a numerator. So 9 9s are 81 upon 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 9 9s are 81. Clear? Any problem? And now here is a 10, 1 0. So I am going to put the point in the 81. So where I will put the point? After one place, because there is 1 0. So what is our answer? Rupees 8.1. This is our answer. So 4 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 180 is rupees 8.1. Understand, student? So just you have to pause the video and copy down it. Okay. Now see next question. Yeah. Next question is, I am going to take, that is question number 4. 15 whole 1 upon 3% and of 18. There is not a unit, only 18 number has been given. Okay, of 18. So what is the problem? No problem. Just first convert this mixed fraction into improper one. How can we convert? 15 3 is the 45. 45 plus 1, 46 upon 3 percent. At the place of what we are going to do? Multiply. Then 80. Now remove the percent sign. When we will remove the percent, what will happen? 100 will come as a denominator. So now see, 46 upon 3 into 100, because 3 is already here in the denominator, so 100 will come in the multiply, and into 18 into 18. Now what we are going to do? Just see, we can divide any number. So yes, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. We can divide one number further. Yes, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 0. Can we divide further up and down any number? With number 46 and 50. 46 and 50. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. We can divide further any number. 23 and 3 is in the numerator and 25 as the denominator. We can divide it. Now we cannot divide it. So what we are going to do? 23 into 3. So 23 into 3, what will come? 26 upon 25. Okay. Just if you want, then you can convert it into the mixed fraction. We can convert it into the mixed fraction, and if you want, then you can convert it into the decimal numbers. Okay. So I am going to convert it into the mixed fraction because the percent has been given in mixed fraction. Okay. So 25 2s are 50, and then what will left? 19 upon 25. So this is our answer. That 15 whole 1 upon 3% of 18 is 2 whole 19 upon 25. Clear, students? Hope so you have understand this concept. Okay. Now see one more question. Yes. Now we are going to do this question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 20% of 12.25 kilometer. This is the question. 20% of 12.25 kilometer. Okay, no problem. We can do very easy. We know what a concept we have to apply here. So what? First we are going to remove the percent, and what will happen? 100 will come as a denominator. Okay. Then at the place of multiply 12.25 kilometer. And now what we can do? Up and down we can divide any number. Yes, we can divide what? 21 is 20, 25 is 100. We can divide further. Yes, we can divide further. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 4 is 20, and 5 5 is 25. And point is also here. So here will be point come. So what is our answer? 2.45 kilometer. So 20% of 12.25 kilometer is 2.45 kilometer. Understand what I want to teach you? Okay. Now see one more question. Yeah. Question number 7. 7th is 140% of 5 kg. Of 5 kg. Now there is a problem that 5 kg is also here. Okay. So can we convert it into another unit? We can also convert it. Okay. In which unit we can convert it? Kilogram. We can convert it into gram. We can convert it into gram. But wait. First we are going to wait. First we are going to divide as well as given the question. Okay. Now see. 140 upon percent. Remove the percent. What will happen? 100 will come down at the place of multiply and 5 kg. 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. So 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So what is left? Only 7 kg. So 140% of 5 kg is 7 kg. Okay, clear students? I think so that you have understand the concept. Okay, thank you. So today we are you just have to pause the video and copy down that thing, and today we are going to finish till here. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.